We have a landfalling typhoon, essentially a Category 1 hurricane in Taiwan. This is now Typhoon Nesat. In addition to what else is going on out there, that's the biggest story. So let's talk about that. It is a allegedly 90-mile-per-hour typhoon, which is the same name as a hurricane. It's just in a different part of the world. But the idea is that this is a pretty potent storm, and it looks like in recent hours it's grown in intensity. You see some stronger thunderstorms right near the interior of the circulation. And we're getting some pretty decent wind reports out of Taipei, sustained 46, gusts to 64. Some of the areas near here are not very far in the eastern shore of Taiwan, not far from where the center made landfall. It did make landfall a little while ago, within the last hour or two. Wind reports of up to 88 knots, gusts, so about 100 miles per hour in gusts with a lot of heavy rain. So very bad weather is right now impacting certainly the northern half of Taiwan, and this is going to be the case for the next 6 to 12 hours as Nesat continues to move westward like that, with the center of circulation not very far away from Taipei. Their winds are actually going to increase. They may get wind gusts up to hurricane force.
Millions of blue blobs have been washing up on beaches all along the west coast, nearly blanketing some areas in squishy animals. These little creatures, called by-the-wind sailors, usually drift about in the Pacific Ocean in huge groups their entire lives. The bright blues, also known as velella, are similar to jellyfish in shape, and they sting their prey as well, although the pain is almost non-existent for humans. They're known for these gas-filled floats that sit above the surface of the water. This fin-like structure means where they go depends almost entirely on wind and water currents. NOAA's senior scientist Bill Peterson believes warm water off the coast, combined with a windstorm, could have brought them to the shore in such dramatic numbers.